Hello everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Corazon Q, and you are welcome to my channel. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you for the support. So today we are fixing the master closet. So I've already started taking out some stuff from the closet. I've already took out all my pants from up there. My husband's, some of them are still up there. I just have to take, this is a lot of work. I'm starting to think twice. This is a lot of work and I'm already tired. This is a lot of work. So this is how the closet looks like right now. So this is the only thing that's left. Everything else is out.
Dad, what's this, Mom? What's this, Mama? Dad, what's this?
Oh my goodness. They are watching. What are you fixing?
What's this one?
I guess I have my little helper here helping me fix the closet. Alright, that's my 2-year-old fixing the closet with mommy. Anyway, that's it. That's done.
Is this a yoga room?
This is my closet.
Make sure to like and subscribe to my channel because I'm mom's daughter.
Yes, you
Bye! Bye, guys, you wanna come see the new baby? Oh, you're ready?
Not yet. They haven't seen the new baby yet. Anyhow, let's start taking out the wire shelves.
Yay! Yay!
That's not a toy, buddy.
Hi, Dan. I did the tank. I did food.
You know what's that for? You know what's that for? You know what's that for?
Yeah.
What is that for? For what?
The wire shelves are done. Don't take them out. I'm done taking them out. Oh, the wire shelves, we did it. Me and my husband, we finally took them out. Next step is to fill up the holes. I'm not painting. That's not a job for today or tomorrow or maybe in the near future. But right now, filling up the holes, making the bookshelves, setting them in, and putting our clothes back in. That's it. All right. The video cut off, but what I was trying to say is I need to fill up the holes and start building the bookshelves. We need to start doing that. Fixed. Good job. You are a good fixer. You can fix things.
Nana, what?
Are you fixing stuff?
Yeah.
hurt yourself.
Bits! Mommy, bits!
Good job.
Oh, yeah.
So guys, I am using the Drydex.
Mama, bring the body.
That's what I'm using. That's what I use for my
Mama,
kids'
bring the
closet.
body.
Alright, I'm coming to help. Give me a few minutes.
Mama. Mama.
So this has a sanding pad at the top. So that's what I'm using to sand after applying the Drydex. This is how the closet looks like so far. This side is already sealed and sanded. Same to this wall. So I have this wall that I'm waiting for it to dry up. When you apply the Drydex, it's usually pink, but then when it dries, it turns to white. So that's all I'm waiting for. Then I can sand it up. But while I'm waiting, I'm gonna go ahead and just start working on the bookshelves.
Yeah?
Here comes the noise.
Yeah?
My boys are coming up. Okay, so I tried to put the parts in a way that's gonna be easier to put them together. So I have the bottom part up. Oh no, that's the top part. That's the top section up here, and then I have these two sides. This is gonna be the middle, and then these are the two bottom sides, and then that's the bottom section. So these are the two lower parts, and this is gonna be the one on the floor, this one. So that makes it easier. That way it makes it easier to put them together. All right. So the first one, I'm done with the first one, except I need to the back. I haven't put the back yet, but this is how it looks like. I already put it together, so I just need to nail the back to it, and then I have 5 more to go. 5 more to go. I'm sweating. I'm already tired. That's just the first one. So for the closet rods, I bought 4 of them, and they were 18 to 30 inches. I bought 4, so 2 on one bookshelf and then 2 on the other bookshelf, top and bottom. And then the nails that come with these rods are very big, meaning that they can go through the bookshelf to the other side, which won't really look good. So what I did is I purchased different nails. I bought number 6 nails, 3/4 inches. So these are perfect, like they won't go through the wood of the closet or the bookshelf. It's another day. The closet, the bookshelves have been secured to the wall. Everything looks marvelous, but we are now about to start putting the clothes in the closet. Alright guys, I'm finally done with my master closet transformation. It's done. So drum roll please. This is how it looks like. That's the review. I love it. And I still have so much space, like I don't even know what I'm gonna put. I didn't put my jewelry in here. That's what I want to do. I want to put my jewelry in there, so I didn't move them yet. Even these are still empty. They've just I've had them for like years, but they're empty. I don't have anything in there. So yeah, that's it. That is it. Thanks guys, thanks for watching. But that's the transformation of my master closet. It took us almost a week to do this, but we have kids, plus we have a newborn who's like 2 weeks, so yeah, it was gonna take us that long to transform the closet, but it's finally done. Thanks for watching. Bye.